So welcome to Toronto on a cold December 21st morning. I don't know why, but I'm just coming to the realization that the year is ending, which makes me think we're long overdue for an update. I think we're also here in one of the recent vlogs. It's not like we come here all the time, it's just coincidence. Well, hello. So good to be back. Huh? Look at this beautiful tree. The city of Toronto is really showing its good side, be it with the weather, with the Christmas decorations, and I'm stoked to be back. Listen, I got some really exciting news as a sort of a life update for you today. Let's start with this. Maybe go down and say congratulations Nestle, because she not only finished her program but she started working, and I'm super proud of her. She's been through a rough year in terms of studying, and I'm also excited, side note, to being both employed, because I've been hearing from a lot of people who are newcomers or new Canadians that being both employed in a couple does really make a difference, and I can sort of see how. For me, things are more or less steady. I think a good measure to assess where I am and as of end of 2025 is to compare to the goals I set earlier this year. Number one, do a high rocks race. I have not only done one race but two, one in New York and one in Toronto. I was aiming to beat my initial time on my second race, which I failed to do. Hence, I signed up for the third one. It's going to be in May. More in exciting news, I got a new camera. Maybe some of you might have realized that the video quality is a tad better. Well, I finally pulled the trigger on this. Nope, focus. There we go. On this, I came to a phase where unless I invested a little bit more and giving myself some more leeway to discover, improve what I'm trying to do on YouTube, I was just getting stuck, and I did struggle to find the motivation to create more videos. And I'm hoping that this will be one of my enablers to do more. And one of the goals this year would now be to make a little bit more from YouTube and affiliated channels, so that I can sort of make up for the investment I made into the camera. And one thing that really helps is liking and also commenting, so maybe consider helping a friend out. Someone gotta fix that bell. It sounds almost like out of a horror movie. I'll skip the gym bit quick. It's just that now that I have the Ottawa High Rocks goal set, I keep going with my more functional, cardio heavy total body training type. Now that the workout is over, I came to a nearby restaurant. I'm going to do a quick lunch and a quick meeting with one of the startups I'm consulting with. Absurdly fast transition because it was minus 13 degrees, and that's no joke. The meeting went well. Here's an interesting trend that I've been observing, is that companies more and more are more curious and interested in doing AI content, which is, I don't know, I personally, when I see AI content on social media, it's not a great feeling, especially if they're pretending to be human. That said, it's so much more convenient, cheaper than any other type of content. So there's the trend is getting more and more AI. But what do you think about it? We finally got our Christmas tree out, and as you can see, there are no presents under it yet. I also haven't shown you the studio in a while. There has been some updates to it. I got this, which used to be a mouse pad Nestle had bought. You might have seen the camera, the microphone. This is still a little bit messy, but we just ordered something that would hopefully help us clean this up. We got a pegboard here, which holds the tablet and all the small little gadgets. And of course, these are from almost like the second month that we moved in. I just want to take a second to wrap this video up right here. This has been it for the 2025 end of year update and life update. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you again on the next one.